Hi guys, it's Gio. Some of you might know me from TikTok. Insert a few videos here. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I do the makeup behind the scenes. I posted a video a few weeks back calling it my first video, and I just really wasn't happy with how it turned out, so we know that was a trial. That was a trial. Today, we're going to try and do better. It's not going to be the best. Throughout the next couple of videos, you're going to see the quality improve. You're going to see things change. I'm learning. I'm growing, just like the rest of you. But today, I'm going to be doing a look for Pride that I designed. Yes, got to pull out the face card. I made this. It was kind of inspired. It was kind of inspired by a few other makeup artist looks that I've seen, so I'm going to put those looks down in the description. I don't know the name of the makeup artist, I just remember her account. I just gotta go find it. That's why I'm putting it in the description. But yeah, I kind of just took that and then like added my own spin to it. Made it gay for real. I made it gay for real. So let's put our hair up. Don't be dirty-minded about that. And we'll get to recording. I'm gonna show you some of the featured products in this video, just so you know, like, baseline what you need. Everything else is just kind of like color, but like you will need, not me breaking things. You can't see it, but I can see it. You're gonna need, you know, some cream paint. You're gonna need something to outline with. I'm gonna use just a lip liner, because why not? And that's really it. Everything else is kind of just creativity and flow your own way. But let's jump right into the video. Alright, so first I'm going in with that brown pencil. It's easy because I can wipe it away, as you see there. I'm just going to begin to outline the desired shape that I would like going across my face. I mean, this is really what sets the tone for everything, so you can mess up as many times as you need to. In makeup, it's really fun to just kind of go along with the features of your face, so I traced along the bridge of my nose just to add that detail. Just adjusting the shape. It's paint time. Grab yourself a nice scoop of white and warm it up on your tray. Now paint your little heart away, making sure that you're making all your strokes in the same direction. Take it into the hairline a bit just to seal the deal, and just keep painting and you'll look something like this. Going in with a bit of red paint to just get the red on the hair. You're going to need 6 separate fluffy brushes. Going in with the Morphe 35H palette, I'm just going to pack in some reds, adding a more cool tone shade to kind of tone down that orange. You know I love my problematic influencers. Going in with the Jeffree Star palette, just gonna grab that orange, pack that in there. Now with a clean brush, go into the Norvina Artistry palette and grab that bright orange. Start packing that in next to the orange you used before. To make the red a true red, go on top of it with purple, and then on top of that purple with the smallest touch of yellow. Color theory, baby. Go back into that Norvina Artistry palette, grab that yellow and blend it into the orange immediately. Grab another clean brush, go back in with the same yellow, just kind of pack it in. Grab that green toned yellow and just pack it in towards where you want to pack your green shade next. Now with a yellow toned green, go in and blend it next to the green toned yellow. What? Now grab a darker green and just start packing it on. Blend, 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 and then just kind of go in and contour your nose using more of that pigment. Time for blue. Go in with a blue shade and do the same thing we did with the green, just on the opposite side. Now just get a lighter blue shade and pack that in there. Grab an indigo shade and just start blending it into the lighter blue. Now grab a blue toned purple and just start blending that into the indigo. You know how it goes. Now grab a red toned purple and continue blending all the way towards the back of the ear. Killing 2 birds with 1 stone, I put that shade down so we could put the hot pink down next, and you're all done with the colors. Now I'm just going to go in with my Lumi foundation from L'Oreal and just, you know, beat my face as I usually would. Never forget that neck. Now with my infallible concealer, also by L'Oreal, I'm just going to highlight my face. Now going in with my Tarte Maracuja concealer, just carving out my cheekbones, you know, the works. Blend, blend, blend. Going in with that ColourPop Lizzie McGuire blush, just gonna add some color to my face. Now, let's take it to cloud 9 and start stippling on different cloud shapes with your white paint. And have fun with this part, you can make it whatever you want. Just a little FYI, if you put it on your eyelids, use a setting powder, because I forgot and it definitely was not on my face by the end of this video. Just add some little details. Now for a brow quickie. I want to do a separate video on my eyebrows, so let me know in the comments down below. Going back and repeating our first step, we're just going to re-outline it with the brown pencil and then go in and create shadows underneath the lines beneath it. Taking a break from the eyes, I'm just going to go in on the lips with a bit of a purple that I mixed up with the You Can Be palette. I didn't get a clip of me mixing them. I was kind of in my zone for real. I felt like the purple was too light, so I just made a bit of a darker purple and put it at the top for a bit of a contour. Now going in with the most problematic shade ever, Nikita. That was unnecessary. Just using that as a base for the rest of the colors. Next, I made a pinky fuchsia color, just gonna blend that in. Hopping in with our light blue, just gonna blend that, make it nice and ombre and pretty. Now going in with my favorite highlighter. If you know, you know, girl. Going in with my double take eyeliner, I'm just going to line the eyes. Being careful not to drag the paint underneath, just kind of stipple it on the places that's hard to draw. Now just bring your eyes back to life against that white paint with just a little bit of a winged eyeliner in the corner. If you get anything out of this video today, it's mascara, 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 mascara. Please put on mascara so the lashes blend. Popping on some lashes by Paint Lab. And we're done. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and smash that like button because it's free, you know? It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you guys. Bye. One more thing. If you click the link on my bio and Instagram, you can donate to the LGBTQ Foundation. Bye!